Hello, it's Loraine here and welcome to my YouTube channel, Loraine Marshall Online, and my website which you can find at makemoneyonline-niches.com. Today I'm going to be reviewing a mobile app by the name of Omega. Now this mobile app is brought to you by Billy Daw and it's launching on Saturday, August the 14th at 11 AM EST. Now this mobile app basically then creates sort of short video advertisements. It's a video builder and it is also pushing out traffic to a platform known as Telegram, which is basically a mobile app on your phone, and so it's a traffic generating mobile app. So what I want to do first is have a look at the sales page that is being put together for this product, my bonus page, and the 4 bonuses I have available when you purchase the product through my link, which you'll find the link in the description below this video. And then we can have a look at the member dashboard, bearing in mind I'm on a laptop and the whole thing is a mobile app that will push traffic through Telegram. Okay, well, let's go over to the sales page now. Okay, then this is the sales page for Omega and the creator of the product, which is Billy Daw. Basically, it's a new traffic source that can push out your advertisement and links through the platform Telegram. And you can find the sales page by clicking through my bonus page. Any of the buttons on my bonus page will take you to the sales page for Omega. And what I want to do is just have a look at what the sales page is saying. Because basically what it's saying is that if you've got 2 minutes to spare, this is basically a product that you can start using more or less straight away. Now let's see. Yeah. The page is still under construction. It's going to be launching on Saturday the 14th of August. So basically it's using this app here, which is Telegram. Now Telegram is like a social platform where people can push out messages. So once you sign up to Telegram app, it can be used by all sorts of different people, health platforms, government platforms, where messages and news and other social interactions are pushed out onto Telegram so you can keep in touch. And basically the sales page is saying that it's a new opportunity. No one else has done this before. You can tap into the platform. Basically, it doesn't spam. It doesn't message strangers. There's no audience building. You don't have to build audience, and there's nothing else that's manual. So it's basically automated, pushing out your ads, your videos or your links to the platform. So I just wanted to find that to explain what it is and what it's not. So now let's go over to my bonus page and see the bonuses I have available when you purchase Omega through my link, which is in the description below this video. Our bonus page is here. For Omega, basically a traffic source, mobile app, and a different platform. The prices for Omega, basically the front end is $17. You've got your one-time offer, $39. You've got offer number 2, $197. Offer number 3, $39. Offer number 4 is $39. And offer number 5 is $39. So you've got the front end, which is the software and the training modules. Then you've got your upsell, which is the unlimited edition version with templates and unlimited usage. Then you've got the done for you edition. the automated edition, the Done For You Templates Club, and the 50 times click and go campaigns, which is upsell number 5. Right, so let's have a look at the bonuses that I have. So first one here is the high ticket mastery training from John O. Armstrong. All of the bonuses are from John O. Armstrong, who is my mentor in the program of Ministry of Freedom. And the second bonus I have is learn how to get better conversions. The third bonus is how to make an app in less than 25 minutes. And the fourth one is the access to Search Engine Optimization Studio, but this is only available for the first 24 hours, so you've got to get in quick if you want to get access to this. So any one of these gold buttons on my bonus page will take you through to the sales page, and you will be able to get Amiga. Also, you will still get all of the vendor bonuses when you purchase through my link. Then this is the receipt you would get from Warrior Plus, and this blue button here is where you would access the bonuses. So let's quickly go and have a look at the dashboard for Amiga. This is inside of the dashboard of Amiga, and as you can see, these are sort of templates that are available inside, all editable. This one's about make money online. This one's about fitness and various different things, skincare, social media, clothing, shops, skydiving, adventure. There's lots and lots of these, even real estate. So there's all sorts of these sort of template videos that are inside of the software app. And obviously down this side you have got this. Let's see if I can get back to the main dashboard. On the main dashboard, there's a link to the Warrior Plus deals, a link to the JV Zoo deals. Then you've got your creator, where I've just been to that part of the software, and the dashboard, which is this bit here, which obviously will be populated once you start to use the software. So basically, this is what it does. It's a creator for creating these like sort of mobile ads, which are videos and text. So you can see the video playing here, and you've got your text there, which is, it's all editable within the software. And that's it basically in a nutshell. So, if you're wanting to look at purchasing this, like I say, any one of these buttons on my bonus page will take you through to purchase Amiga, and you've still got 4 days left. As I said, this is going live on Saturday, the 14th of August, and I'm recording this video on Friday the 13th. I hope that's not unlucky. So anyway, I'll see you on the next review video, and bye for now.